Hey, it's our Locksmith here. Okay, so we're going to change the battery here on our 5-button flip remote. Now, this one here is a little trickier. This is a new remote we're going to use for this. When you look at your remote, you'll see 2 screws, but you got a third one hidden under there. That does require a flat tip and a Phillips. So we're going to use a Phillips to take the screw out. The flat tip, you will need to try removing the back little logo. The reason there's not a logo on this one is we haven't sold this to a customer. This is a new remote we're using for this. So we'll turn around and take all the screws out. This was probably one of the remotes that Chevrolet could have done a little bit better on. Now that you got that off, when you lift this up, you'll notice this is tensioned. Keep that in mind. Do not separate the two. Just let it sit. Take your flat tip, lift up. You've got your board. Now that you got your board out, you'll notice you've got 3 little tabs. Take your flat tip and push your battery out. Then when you do, it slides right out. This is a CR2032. We're going to put this battery back in. Like I said, it's a new remote. And we'll set it down in there. And you want it to sit flush. And you'll see that it seats itself. Now, when you grab this, you are going to twist it back. And when you squeeze 2 halves together, make sure you're lined up. See how we're lined up? Hold pressure on this. Push your release button in. Make sure your key pops back out. If it doesn't, your spring came unwound. That's why I make the comment, go ahead and hold it in there. Go ahead and put your Phillips screw in. I like to start at the top with these because the spring tension. Now I'm done with that. We'll go ahead and reassemble these 2. Hey, I want to go ahead and say, hey, thanks again for tuning in and watching and learning. If you would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out. Send us an email if there's a question you might have. And if you would, go ahead and check out our other playlists. We've got everything in there from the do-it-yourselfers and all to the locksmiths, and we will be putting more content up. Our goal is to do 2 to 3 a week minimum, not including these remote videos. But hey, we're done. Thanks again for watching, and let's stay safe out there.